After 3 long years of high school, which honestly felt like a never-ending TV series filled with exam, late-night study session, and caffeine replacing water, you finally made it. You are now a proud student of the University of Science, one of the most prestigious institutions in Vietnam when it comes to fundamental sciences. On your first day, you excitedly put on your brand new uniform, the one that your friend jokingly called the Royal Robe, and you can almost hear a triumphant soundtrack play in your head. You picture yourself entering a glorious new chapter of student life, freedom, passion, discovery, and absolutely no homework. But then reality comes at the door. You go to class, study, go home, sleep, and repeat on the next day. Every day feel like a loop in the new universe, except there's no Big Bang, no excitement, just you and your stiffly timetable. After a few weeks, you start asking yourself, wait, isn't university supposed to be different from high school? That initial excitement slowly fades, replaced by a mindset of disappointment, mixed with a controlled level of boredom, maybe. Then one day, your lecturer walked into class with an offer you know you cannot refuse to join a scientific research project. That offer hit you like a sudden summer rain, unexpected, refreshing. You grab the opportunity, and from that very moment, your university life had turned into a new page. So, what exactly is scientific research? Sounds fancy, huh? A bit philosophical and maybe something only people in wild court do. But in reality, it's quite simple. It's the process of exploring, analyzing, and figuring out the pattern and extent of things and phenomena based on data and experiment, while also seeking new knowledge or developing method and technology to make the world a little bit more advanced. In other words, when you participate in scientific research, you are basically plowing the field of human progress. Don't worry. Scientific research isn't some grand, mysterious thing that requires a wild out code all day. In fact, it can start from the tiniest, the most ordinary thing. Take my field, food science and technology, for example. Our research topics are incredibly close to everyday life, from finding the most effective way to remove fishy smell, making nutritious powder entirely from sweet potatoes, forming sugar granule from sugarcane, to checking the quality of food at local businesses you visit all the time. It might sound ordinary, but all of these are scientific research, and the best part is they are meant to benefit everyone. After all that talk about sweet potato and fish, it's finally time to roll up our sleeve and get our hands dirty. Literally. In the lab, we peels, measures, stirs, cook it, and sometimes burn and everything along the way. Yes, experiment don't always go as planned. If everything worked well on the first try, it wouldn't really be research, would it? With the magic of research in the list of failure, it goes moment towards something. How to measure more accurately, how to adjust the recipe, how to take note without letting the juice dry out, or just by your friend logging on your burner sugar. Slowly, after multiple trials, we found a method that actually worked. The first bite of sugar met all specified technical and quality requirements. And just like that, our ordinary student life, filled with lecture, assignment, and exam, suddenly had a new flavor: curiosity, discovery, and a sense of purpose. We weren't just following our syllabus anymore. We were exploring, experimenting, failing, learning, and occasionally celebrating tiny victory with our lab mate. So, if you ever think scientific research is too highbrow or too serious, think again. Sometimes you start with sweet potato, fish, and a whole lot of curiosity. And who knows, you might just end up contributing to progress, one massive experiment at a time. If you are thinking of joining a research project, don't hesitate. Dive in, get messy, ask questions, and drink that extra cup of coffee if needed. Because who knows, your latest curiosity today might just turn into a big breakthrough tomorrow. And remember, science is everywhere, in your kitchen, in the market, in the food you eat, and in the question you dare to ask. And that's why being part of the research isn't just learning, it's helping humanity move forward, one curious step at a time.